Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this one, we're going to continue our AZ104 labs, and we're going to start on module 2, and we're going to continue our governance and compliance. And this time we're going to look at the policy, which is another excellent tool to implement governance throughout your Azure infrastructure. So if you go inside, we have really three different tasks. In the first task, we are going to learn how to manually assign tags to your Azure resources. In the next task, we're going to look into Azure policy, or we're going to implement one policy where we're going to enforce if you do not have a particular tag in your resource, you cannot deploy that. And on the third task, we're going to create a policy which will look at, hey, if the tag is missing in any of the resources, it will go and fix it. So let's just get started with the first task. It is very easy. So to do that, you just need to go to your parcel. So go log into your Azure portal. So I'm already logged in, and what you need to do, come over here, open up, click on the cloud shell, and that should bring you this blue bar. If it's for the first time, it will give you a create a storage account. You will just say create, and then just log in. And what we are looking for here is the store name of the storage account. So run your df command right there, and what's going to give you, it's going to give you the cloud drive. So this is the whole mount. Okay, so here you are going to get this name, which is right before your file.co.windows.net. So that is the name of our storage account. So if you copy that one, come over here in the search box and then paste, it will give you the storage account. If you go to the tags, there's nothing there, right? So if you follow this, so we have already done this, we have found the storage account, and well, there is a tag, Azure Cloud Shell, and we are not going to use that tag. So what we'll do, we'll go back to the overview, go to actually the resource group and see if there is any tag available. So this one got a tag which I'm going to actually get rid of, because that tag I have it as part of the testing that I was doing. Okay, so I'm going to say delete all. So right now what will happen, your your resource group where this storage account is hosted, it does not have any tags. If you go there, there is no tags, nothing. So what we need to do, we need to learn how to assign tags to this resource group. So here we are going to add a tag for role, and the value is going to be infra. So role is going to be the name of the tag, value is infra. Okay, and then we apply. Now this tag, you see now it showed up, it's at the resource group level, but do you think it's going to be automatically applied to the storage account as well? Let's see. So go back to the overview and then go to the storage account. And if you go down to the tags of the storage account, you see that that tag that we applied to the resource group level didn't automatically percolate down to the resource. So you still don't have the tag that we said and applied. Okay, so what we'll do in the next video, we will create a policy and make sure if anyone creating another storage account, if they don't have this tag, the deployment should fail. So thank you, and let's join in the next video.